Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down right away to access display. Then select brightness level and click on this gray switcher next to automatic brightness to enable it. As you can see, after that auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!